Hello everybody, it's Juliet here, and today I have an order from Beebeecraft that I'm going to be sharing with you. So those of you who do not know what Beebeecraft is, it is a craft website that sells lots and lots of jewelry supplies. They have other crafts as well, but mostly I would say it's beads and jewelry making supplies and findings. And I do have a discount code for you if you want to go and take a look at their huge website. They have so many things. So the code is Jules10 and you'll get 10% off your order if you enter that code. So let's go ahead. I've taken it out of the main package that it was in, and so this is, do the big thing first. This is the first thing. So this is a set of 4mm crystal bicones. Now these are just Chinese crystal. They're not like really fancy crystals, but they are very usable and nice. And as you can see here, you get lots of different colors. I will just try to get the plastic off. Give me 1 second. Okay, so everything from Beebeecraft comes really nicely packaged. A lot of things come in little storage boxes, which is great because you don't have to worry about how am I going to store it. You already have a box. So if I open that up, you can see all the different colors of bicones, and I'm just going to grab some out. So, I mean, these look like really nice quality bicones, you know, perfectly acceptable to use in your jewelry. So we've got some metallics here, and then the rest, some of them have an AB coating or like a luster. See these ones, and then some of them just look kind of more plain to me, like these. Some clear crystal ones. But anyway, I felt like I never had the right color, so I kind of thought this would be a good thing to get, and it's very reasonably priced for the amount of bicones that you get. So if you need to build up your 4mm bicones, I mean, that's one of our standard beads that we use all the time in beading. So if you need to build up your stash, this is a great option for that. So that was my first thing, and also I'm keeping in with my theme of the year for color, so you can see color here. Then let's see, what else do we have in here? Okay, again along the theme of color, these are some 6mm gemstones, and this is Morganite, the gemstone Morganite, which comes in a multitude of colors. And so it looks like we've got a lot of blue, a little bit of pink, some green, and even some almost yellow here. So I loved the pastel color concept, so I thought this might be good for something. They have lots and lots of different gemstones. Definitely worth looking on the website for gemstones, because they have really good prices as well. So if you're in the mood for some gemstones, definitely go and check them out. Okay. All right, so that is the next item, and I'll put links for everything down below, obviously, as I always do. And then let's see what's next. Okay, so I got these earring findings, and you get 4. It doesn't look like you get backs with these, but that's okay. So these are really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. I wanted something kind of floral, and so they have a hanging loop so you can hang something else down, and they're just post earrings, but oh my gosh, how pretty. These are just so pretty. Aren't these cool? They're really quite heavy as well. So yeah, you get 2 pairs, in other words, 4 in total. Really pretty. Pleased with those, like those a lot. And I like the kind of brushed finish on them. Really nice. Okay, so I'll put a link for those as well. I suspect that that's probably going to be something that sells out quickly. Usually their findings go, they do reorder. So if you find something on the website and it says it's sold out, you can press a button and it says like remind to restock or something like that. So go ahead and press that button. Okay, this is also something that was going as I was, you know, on the website, it was already going. These are 12 millimeter. These are cotton pearls. So basically this is like compressed cotton made into a bead and then with a kind of painted with a finish, but they're really, really lightweight, which is what people like about them. So you get 5. And what I'm thinking is I'm probably going to do some kind of beaded bead using some of the bicones around these pearls, but they're really nice finish on them. And like I say, really, really lightweight, you know. And I'll put a link for that, but like I say, that might be one of the things you have to click sold out. So they have a pretty high amount of traffic on that website, so you kind of have to just keep checking back, okay? And then I'm gonna need scissors for this. Where did I put them? Okay, and then the last thing I ordered were some more crystals, crystal rhinestone. I'm just trying to figure out how to open this. Can I just pull it apart? Oh, no, I can pull it apart. Okay. So these are 13 by 18 millimeter oval crystals in a whole bunch of different colors. And wow. Oh my gosh, there are a lot of colors in here. I'm just trying to pull out all the different colors that I see. I think oh no, I haven't got that one yet. And there's that one. And there's a clear one. There's this purple one. So it's a big pack with a big assortment of different colors in it, as you can see here. Okay, I think I got all the different colors out for you. Maybe. Oh, there's 2 different colors of green. Okay, hang on. That one and that one. Okay, I think I have all the colors, but so you can see here, you get an absolute ton. I mean, this is 14 out on my thing right here, and there's at least 50. I think there's 50 in the pack. So you get 50 oval stones, which are great for, you know, bezeling around or whatever. You can use them in bead embroidery because they're quite kind of flattish on the back. They're not as point backed as some things are. And these are really nice, you know. I mean, it looks really nice. It's going to make your jewelry look nice, and I'm thinking I can use these with some of these colored bicones and make some really pretty jewelry. So yeah, you can see all the different colors here, and these are such good value compared to buying some of the more expensive ones. And honestly, nobody will tell the difference between this and like a really, really more expensive stone. Like, who's gonna know? You know, in your jewelry, who's gonna know? Nobody is gonna go up to it with a jeweler's eyeglass and be looking at it. And there's nothing wrong with this. This is really good quality. So if you're looking for some ovals, some oval rivolies, or I guess, chatons, these would be a really great option. And I just love all the different colors in here. Oh, there's another one that I missed, I think. Yeah, I missed that one. So there's also a like peachy brown color that I didn't put out, okay? Anyway, I'll put a link for this. I'm hoping they have this. They have this sort of stuff in stock all the time, so they might rotate out the shapes, but they do have definitely here restock if these are out, okay? Okay, so that's everything for now, and like I said, kind of sticking with my theme of color for the year. So I hope you go and check out Beebeecraft, and be sure to use that discount code that I told you, Jules10, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care for now. Bye!